Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Ton wallet to Hamster Kombat mining account. So in order to do this, you first need to come to your Hamster Kombat. Over here, you are going to say this choose exchange option in the top right hand corner. So you need to tap on choose exchange, and from this list, you just have to select any of the exchanges that you want. So let's say I have selected Binance. So after selecting Binance, it is asking me that you have signed a contract with Binance. So you just have to select Binance, and then you will have to tap on the airdrop button in the bottom right hand corner. Now once you do this, you will be landed on the tasks list where you are going to see the task of connecting your wallet to your Ton wallet. So you just have to tap on it. Now if you haven't already created your account on Ton wallet, then I have created a detailed video on that topic, so you can check that video out on my channel. So after creating your Ton wallet, you will have to tap on this option, and then after tapping on the connect button, you will be able to easily connect your Ton wallet with Hamster Kombat. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.